Always finds the best people. Well, we did have some pretty heavy rain today across the area, especially across South Mississippi. We got anywhere from 4 to 7 inches just over the last 24 hours alone. Even parts of the North Shore picked up from 2 to 4 inches just in the last day, and that's on top of what we've already received over the last week. It has been a very wet pattern, to say the least, and we're finally going to be pulling out of it. So we have some nicer days ahead going into the weekend. However, our creeks and rivers in South Mississippi are on the rise, especially the West Hoblachita Creek, which is now going to be in a major flood stage going into early tomorrow. East Hoblachita and the Pearl River are in a minor flood stage, so it's going to take a few days for things to get back to normal across South Mississippi near those bodies of water. So make sure you drive carefully, always avoid flooded roadways. And as we go into the weekend, early next week, things will start to return back to normal. But we just have had so much rain as of late that the waters are going to continue to rise. So just keep that in mind. Be extra careful over there. Luckily, the rest of tonight, trending dry, one little shower in eastern St. Bernard Parish, but that's moving over Lake Bourne, so we're going to be quiet the rest of your Thursday evening. This disturbance we've been stuck under across the Gulf Coast is going to move off to the east, and since it is pushing off to the east, there's going to be some drier air coming in behind it. And as the drier air fills in tomorrow into early this weekend, we'll have much less rain in the forecast in the coming days. Finally, we get a good extended break heading into the weekend from all this soggy weather. Right now we've got sunshine, we have clouds, it's beautiful, it's 85 degrees, it's warm, it is a little bit humid, but it will be a nice Thursday evening. Temperatures mostly in the upper 80s across southeast Louisiana, some 70s in Mississippi because we've had the rain ongoing for most of the day. Tonight we'll have partly cloudy skies, temperatures will eventually get down to the 70s heading into tomorrow morning. Will be dry heading into tomorrow morning as well. And then going into early tomorrow, there could be a few isolated showers in the early part of the afternoon, but we're not talking much. We're talking typical summertime setup where we could see a few stray showers and storms throughout the day, early afternoon into the middle part of the day, possibly into the early evening, but not much. It's going to be noticeably less rainy tomorrow, but you may get 1 or 2 showers trying to form going into later in the day tomorrow. And then Saturday, we may actually see even less rain settle in with that drier air in place, maybe 1 or 2 stray showers Saturday, and that's about it. So it's not going to be completely bone dry in the coming days, but it will be certainly less wet heading into tomorrow and this entire weekend. Tomorrow, there is still a very low risk for isolated street flooding off to the east because the grounds are so saturated. Say we get 1 shower forming over South Mississippi, maybe you get some localized street flooding concerns tomorrow, but the risk is going to be low. And the reason why things are changing, well, our upper pattern is changing. All that really rich moisture we've been stuck with pushes off to the east. An area of high pressure builds in over the Gulf Coast, so that lowers our rain chances through the next several days into early next week. However, later next week, things change up again. So by next Wednesday, Thursday into Friday, so about 1 week from now, another batch of moisture looks to surge in from the Gulf. So our rain chances may actually increase during the second half of next week too. So enjoy this dry stretch while we have it starting tomorrow, lasting through Saturday, Sunday into Monday. It's not going to be completely bone dry, but certainly going to see more sunshine and a lot less rain action this weekend. But you know what that means. It's going to be getting hot. Temperatures will be in the upper 80s to near 90 degrees every day in the coming days. The humidity is here to stay, so it's going to feel like the mid 90s this weekend.
All right, Alexa, thanks.